How to cancel an Airbnb reservation. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Here's how you should be able to do it so you can follow out this step-by-step super straightforward tutorial for that. So we can go open up the Airbnb application or go to airbnb.com if you're using the website and log in into your account if you're not logged in. Now once we do so, what we can do is we can tap or click on the trips option from the dashboard available and the guide for the reserved trip here. You can just go and select the trip that you want to cancel and open up the reservation details. Now, once you open up the reservation detail, what you can do is you can just go over and look out for cancellation option, tap on cancel reservation option, and you need to choose up a reason for canceling. You can just go and choose up a reason. You can review the refund details shown on the screen and confirm the cancellation. You can just go and check it out, and you will be getting a confirmation email once it is cancelled very easily. And the thing is, refunds depends upon the host cancellation policy. You can look out for the cancellation policy before going ahead and booking it. And sometimes it is flexible, full refund if cancelled before 24 hours before check-in. Same, sometimes partial or no refund, sometimes no refund at all. And Airbnb shows you the exact refund amount before you confirm, so you can check that screen very carefully, and you should be able to get your money 3 to 5 business days, 5 to 10 business days, usually 24 hours if you're using PayPal, and that's it. If your cancel button is not there, then the reservation might already be in progress or not refundable. But you can follow this method for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.